Imagine this, you're splitting a bill with friends after a delicious meal. No scrambling for cash or awkward card swipes. Instead, you simply tap, and Vips. Money sent. That's the magic of Vips, a mobile payment app that's become synonymous with sending money in, well, which country exactly? That's the question we're diving into today. Buckle up, tech enthusiasts and travel adventurers, because we're about to explore the fascinating world of Vips and uncover the secret nation it's taken over. The rise of a mobile payment giant. Fast forward to 2015, Norway. Cash is slowly becoming a relic of the past, and people crave a simpler way to send money amongst themselves. Enter Vips, a brainchild of DNB, a major Norwegian bank. The concept? Simple. Use your phone number to send and receive money instantly, just like sending a text. Talk about convenience. Vips exploded in popularity. Within just 6 months, 1 million Norwegians were on board, making it the country's leading payment app. But why did it resonate so deeply? Here's the thing. Simplicity is king. Forget complicated apps or lengthy registration processes. Vips is all about ease. Just download the app, link your Norwegian bank account, and you're ready to roll. Security first, Norwegians value safety, and Vips delivers. It uses robust security measures like Bank ID, a national digital identity system, to ensure every transaction is secure. A nation on the go, Norwegians are a tech-savvy bunch. Vips perfectly complements their on-the-go lifestyle, allowing them to pay for everything from groceries to concert tickets with a few taps. Vips, beyond Norway's borders. So, with all this success in Norway, did Vips try to conquer the global payments scene? The answer is a bit complicated. While Vips itself remained exclusive to Norway, its parent company saw the potential for a broader Nordic reach. In 2022, Vips merged forces with MobilePay, the dominant mobile payment app in Denmark and Finland. This powerhouse union created Vips MobilePay, a single platform catering to the entire Nordic region. However, here's the key takeaway. Even after the merger, Vips retains its unique identity within Norway. It's still the go-to app for Norwegians, while MobilePay continues to serve Denmark and Finland. So, the answer to our initial question? Vips is primarily used in Norway. Norway is a testament to the power of a well-designed app that caters to the specific needs of a nation. Planning a trip to Norway. If you're visiting the land of fjords and Vikings, here's a heads up. While international credit cards are widely accepted, having Vips will definitely make your life easier. You can use it to pay for everything from a steaming cup of coffee to a ride on a scenic ferry. Remember, you'll need a Norwegian bank account and phone number to set up Vips. However, many establishments now offer alternative contactless payment options like Apple Pay or Google Pay, so you won't be completely left out. Final thoughts. The story of Vips is a fascinating example of how mobile payments can revolutionize a nation's financial landscape. It's a reminder that sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most successful. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.